Morning guys. Let's talk about the Care Quality Commission and the GMC. The Care Quality Commission is a regulatory body that ensures you're safe, effective, well-led, responsive and caring. Now, why do you need to do that? Well, funnily enough, to protect you, the patient, and to protect the medical service that is being offered to the patient. So funnily enough, it's extremely important. So medical services should be registered with the CQC. Wow, that was a stressful time. Going over all of our policies and procedures, making sure the premises was up to scratch. That caused an incredible amount of stress, but it was a good process. I mean, we were actually looking forward to our CQC inspection because Lydia and I have put our heart and soul into this business, into offering you guys, hopefully, the gold standard when it comes to testosterone replacement therapy. So we were actually quite enthused by the idea of having a CQC inspection, even though it did cause a massive amount of anxiety. But it's provided us with the reassurance that we are safe, we are effective, we are well-led, we are responsive, we are caring. We knew that already, but it's nice to have a third party, an experienced third party, come in, inspect your practice and say, yeah, you're doing all right. However, there are a few little things that you can do to improve your service. So we have addressed those issues and hopefully improved our service. You know, we are constantly looking to improve our service. You know, we would never ever rest on our laurels. We will always act in your best interests. So we're super excited to have them come again. Did that sound convincing? When we move into our new premises, because we will be responsible for absolutely everything. So there will be no third parties involved in the care that we offer our patients. So we are actually quite enthused. We're obviously super excited about this new premises, which will be absolutely amazing. So when you do come down, I'm sure you'll be blown away, as I am. God, I'm not going to tell you how much the couch costs. Jeez. Okay. So yeah, it's super important for your medical provider to be CQC registered, to protect you, the patient, and also to protect them. If they're not CQC registered, I would question why. And if they have an explanation, I would question that explanation, because we wanted to be CQC registered. Why would you not want to be? I mean, obviously you don't want to take the monthly subscription out, but you would want to be CQC registered because it protects you and it protects me. So that's the CQC. What about the GMC? Now, the General Medical Council, again, is a regulatory body for medical professionals. So your doctor should be on the GMC register. You should know who your doctor is. You should be able to look your doctor up on the GMC register. And you should see if they have any restrictions on their practice. If you don't know who your doctor is, then that is very disturbing. Now, as you know, I insist on a face-to-face consultation for our new patient consultations and yearly thereafter for our remote patients, but I always prefer to have a face-to-face consultation with my patients. So if they can get down, I would urge them to get down. But logistically, obviously, we've got guys from all over the UK, Europe, and from as far as Dubai and Hong Kong who come to see me. So I can't get them to come every time they need a review or a little adjustment of their protocol. It's just not feasible. But we do always strive for excellence, and TRT is quite a complicated field. There are so many compounding factors, there's so many variables in a person's health that it's nigh on impossible to deliver gold standard care remotely. So, you know, Skype is the second best, telephone third best, but I don't like it. I much prefer that face-to-face consultation that I can glean so much more information from than a Skype consultation or the internet. It isn't, in my mind, it isn't safe to administer a treatment that is a lifelong treatment without actually knowing your patient. I know all of my guys, all of them. I know them very, very well because we have that relationship. We have that doctor-patient relationship. You know, it's forged on trust, respect, and experience. So it cannot be overemphasized. I always get that wrong. So yeah, you should, if you're going to choose a practice or a medical service here in the UK, make sure it's CQC registered, and make sure you know who the doctor is who will be treating you, so that you can look them up on the GMC register. Why would you not show due diligence and look into these things? Because, you know, this is your health. This is your life. Don't cut corners. It's stupid. So yeah, have a nice Sunday. Yeah, my usual. Oh no, I've got 40 seconds left. It's 8 minutes is my usual time. Right, I'm off to the gym. Let's go pump some weights. Right, ta-ra guys.